Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna teach you how to download Valorant on your PC or laptop, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Valorant on your PC or laptop, first, go to any web browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once you're on your web browser, now go and search for playvalorant.com. After searching, you will now be directed to the official Valorant website. So now that you're on the website, next, click the Play Free button. And right here, if you already have a Riot account, just click this to sign in your account, but if you don't have a Riot account, then click this to create one. To create a Riot account, you just need to set up the information such as your email, the username that you want, and your password. Just a reminder guys, make sure to remember the username and password that you will put here, since you will need it to open your account. You can write it in your notes or take a photo of it just in case you forget. And after you've finished setting up your Riot account, the terms of service will appear. Just scroll down to the bottom, then check I agree. And after that, click accept. Then you can now click the download button to download Valorant. After that, just wait for the download file to finish. And once the download was finished, you can now click the file to install Valorant. Now click install. Then just wait for the installation to finish. And once the installation was finished, click install once again to open. And right here, you will need to log in your Riot account such as the one you created earlier. Just enter the username and password of your Riot account to log in. And once again for the terms of service, scroll down until you reach the bottom, then click accept. And after that, you will now be logged into your Riot account. So once you're logged into your Riot account, you will now be able to see the install button on Valorant. Just click it to download the game. Then right here you can now set your Riot account ID. To set your Riot account ID, just enter any username that you want right here. Then enter any 5-digit number right here. And after setting your game ID, you can now click install. Then right here, Riot will show you where your installation files will be saved. If you want to change the file location, just click this to change it, but if you don't want to change the location, just click install. And after that, Valorant will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. My internet is kinda slow, so I will just cut this video and come back once the installation was finished. And finally guys, after a long time of waiting, Valorant is finally installed. So once you've finished installing Valorant, you will need to shut down or restart your computer. And after you restart your PC, the next thing you gotta do is just open your Riot account once again. And after you opened your Riot account, you can now click the Valorant play button to play Valorant. And it's done guys, congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Valorant on your PC, enjoy playing.